Auftasing. Oh, this took too long to set up. Contemplated if I'm going to do a short reel or I'm going to be doing a YouTube video. But I guess since we're in horizontal format, we're going to be doing a YouTube video. How do you do this? Okay. So for today's video, for today's video, for today's video, for today's tangina. Auftasing. So for today's video, I just wanted to share something that I've been hyper fixating on for the past month. So a little story time. I've been recently trying to reconnect with myself. I've been trying to find my inner voice again. But now that we're back, baby, we're getting into it. Honestly, I feel like in the spiritual sense, I feel like I really lack spiritual self in the sense of understanding thyself. And while tarot has always been linked to the occult, which is false and a stigma, tarot can also be used as a self-creative expression tool to unlock the subconscious mind. Tarot cards! A backstory about me. I'm always so fascinated by all the whimsical, magical, witchy stuff ever since. Sasara yung ilaw ko, dude. Wait lang. Ano ko siya? Charge! I bought this back in grade 10. This is by Sasha Fenton and it has always felt so magnetic to me. Like it speaks to me, dog. After researching so much, I finally found the cards that spoke to me. Sabi niya, stop shawty, joke lang to me. And I wanted to unbox it with you in this channel of mine. This channel is gonna be Juna off the scene. Outside music things, outside performing. So this is like the peaceful, cozy channel. Other shenanigans of my multi-passion pursuits. So some additional information. So I've been doing some studies on tarot and it's getting there. I've read a lot of books lately about tarot and the meaning, the major, the minor, the fool's ring. I've been studying that in preparation of this one. Actually, by Saturday, I'm gonna be having a tarot workshop at Shelfscape at QC. So I'm really stoked to go there and just be part of the community and find other witches alike. Let's unbox this magical thing. Sana hindi to bato kasi my recent Shopee order naging bato siya. So what I got is the Exile Tarot. There are actually two versions of this, the Awaken and the Silent. So what I got is the Silent. It uses the Rider-Waite-Smith system. Okay, initially I wanted the Monsoon card deck, but then it's a very different interpretation from the Rider-Waite-Smith. So I went with the Exile. Oh my god! But my Return to Self. It's very fitting for the path that I'm gonna be trudging on for this year. I'm so in love by the art style of Springdale. She was the one who made this. I actually tried stalking her, but I can't find her socials. I only found her Billy. And it's open. Oh! I'm gonna lay it down so that you guys can see it better. I'm gonna stop yapping and I hope that you enjoyed my yapping session. I hope to do more vlogs and this is just chill, Okay. So good.
haftası.